Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set working hours in ClickUp. So go to the upper left corner of your screen and click on your workspace and then select settings from the drop down menu. Look at the left hand sidebar menu under the workspace section and click work schedule. You will see it right over here. Now look at the work week row. Click the individual days of the week to toggle them on or off, as you can see. For example, select Monday through Friday to clear out weekend exceptions, or add Saturday if you run a retail or support operation. Under the working hours section, define your daily window of availability. And yeah, here you can custom working hours. Here you can customize your team's work schedule, add non-working days or exceptions. So select public holidays, add days off, and so on. And when you are done that, just click on save changes, and this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next